Hey, iPirates idliwe. iPirates idliwe. I'm a Chiefs fan, huh? Kaizer Chiefs. So they lost by 5 goals to 4 on penalties, okay? That is sudden death. It was 3-3 on aggregate. Yay. As a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Yay, besingesilala. Besingeke size silale Nkosi yami. Besingeke size silale nje lamhlanje. Boyoza ukhonjo ngemuno lo. Labanye bakutshengise le mbeji yabo bethi igame lenjena kayidlalwa olamthuthu. Yabona ke? Yabona? Hey besingesilala. Besingesilala. Yabona ke lamhla sitawulala buthongo lobulinganako. Yi Jesu wami. Kanti wena ubatshatwa na kunje? But ke ku overall it was a beautiful game. Overall nje. It was a beautiful game. Bawusebenzele lo 3 goals labantu. Angisoli ngisho. Kodwa ke besingeke size silale Thixo onofefe. Ngeke,